Have you ever walked out your deck and get a feeling like it's too small? There's no stairs. You have all this open space in the back of your house and you just want to extend it. Well, today we're going to show you how we did that for one of our clients, how we resurfaced the old space, and we're going to go to the material that we use, cost, and how we did it. My name is Lauren. I'm Deck Pro founder. We've been in business for more than 5 years now. We do mostly decks, some covering, and we do also design outdoor living space. Step one, we took all the old decking off, keeping the old frame and the old roof support posts, added blocking onto the old decking to stabilize it. Then we built a new addition, right? So we added all on that framing. Pressure treated framing, cedar posts, then composite decking. The reason why we went with the composite material is the client already expressed the desire to not maintain their deck anymore. And the reason why we go with aluminum railing is because of the longevity of it and the lifetime warranty. So essentially, what the client want when they hire us is they don't want to touch this deck for 20, 30, 40 years. When you do an extension, you take the load and the code change for the old deck. Make sure that whatever you do fit into the requirement of the city. And what I've seen happen in my experience in doing thousands of decks, dealing with thousands of clients, thousands of homeowners, it's always best to spend a little bit more money to get what you want right now, rather than trying to go cheap. Fast forward, we are almost finished with this deal. That's one little piece right there that we need to put on. But I want to take you to how the inspector would look at this space. The first thing he's gonna check is the framing. Does this look adequate? He's gonna check for any inconsistency, but since this already been here, usually they don't really check that much. But the new part is gonna be checked. Same thing over here. They're gonna check if all the steps that he. We was gonna check the rail. Everything looked good. So right here, these rough edges is because of the old siding. We have to take some of the part out. A lot of time we see guys forgot to put necktie in. That's a new thing. If I were to rate this project 1 out of 10, I would rate it as about 8. We have to work into the budget constraint for the homeowner. Therefore, the homeowner wanted to keep their own framing. To bring it to a 10, I would possibly take out all the own framing, redo this footing to be able to support all these two footings. So this deck is about 46,000. By saving the frame, the homeowner saved about 10 to 15%. So if this deck were to be all brand new, replace everything brand new, you're looking at about 52 to 53,000. The cost of that is to replacing beam right here. Comment your thoughts on this deck build. We read every one of them. And if you like this video, hit subscribe because we're dropping new video every week, pulling the curtain back, real project, real numbers, real processes to help homeowner like you. I'm Lauren and I'll see you on the next video.